Hello, and warmly welcome to the course information for the MSc Advanced Computing degree program. Hi, I'm Dr. Felix Ngobia, Senior Lecturer in Network Engineering and course leader for the MSc Advanced Computing. The presentation outline is going to follow this format. I'll quickly give you a brief background and overview of the course, which includes the demand and the academic team. This will be followed by the facilities that will aid your learning journey. Finally, I'm going to discuss the industry links, employability, and student support that are available seamlessly to support your journey. It is estimated that by 2025, close to 700,000 ICT jobs will remain unfilled in the UK. Number of UK AI companies in the UK has also increased tremendously by 700% over the last 10 years. In addition, demand for cybersecurity professionals in the UK has also increased by 60% within last year as well. In terms of our academic team are heavily involved in research and business engagement across multiple areas of technology. With a dedicated team of IT experts, you will be taught by qualified and experienced lecturers with a record of working in industry and academia. These lecturers are friendly and approachable, so our team are always willing to support you in getting the most from your degree program. Here, you will also benefit in terms of how passionate each of our academics are about their specific area of expertise, their involvement in research and enterprises, which gives our students an added advantage. A quick course overview. Our course is actually a curated curriculum balancing the knowledge, skills, and expertise that we believe every computing professionals should have, while allowing greater flexibility in what the focus should be. Some of these things are actually based on practical hands-on experience in line with changing industry expectation and supported by our research team. A flexible structure of specialist pathway in cybersecurity, software engineering, artificial intelligence, with great opportunity to work on real-world projects and briefs. This we actually achieve by annual events, which I'm going to cover in details as we progress. Our teaching ethos is actually based on 4 key parameters. One of them is industry-driven, and that one is block and blend, hands-on, flexible. Research has also shown that students remember 90% of what they use, learning immediately. In terms of the industry-driven, our quality assurance process requires us to engage with industry representatives, captain of industry, stakeholders, expertise in their various domains. When developing and reapproving our new courses, we usually invite industry guest speakers and captains, and sponsor events are mostly common within the academic year. Block and blend, students actually learn just 2 modules at a time rather than 3. This has actually improved the workload and mental well-being, with the outcome showing student satisfactions. In terms of the hands-on experience, our core focus throughout our curriculum is actually getting the students to apply the knowledge they gain immediately. Our timetable is structured to support this as well. Flexibility is also core to part of our teaching ethos, both for students while they are on their degree program and afterward as they enter the industry. 1 degree, 3 pathway. So the MSc degree program for the advanced computing is actually structured in such a way that you have 3 different pathways. And these pathways are cybersecurity, software engineering, artificial intelligence, and students also have the flexibility of choosing their own pathway based on the optional modules. The MSc Advanced Computing program actually have some core modules and optional modules. The core modules here we're looking at is emerging technology, where students will be introduced to different technologies that are emerging, software development and operation. In terms of the software development and operation, this actually involves some coding, but it is not primarily really about writing codes. It's more about improving processes, collaboration, and automation in software development and IT operation. Managing projects and teams. We also design our program in such a way that students don't just gain engineering knowledge alone, they also gain knowledge of how to manage engineering projects and work in a team. Moving on to the optional modules, these are modules that you can select to complete as part of your studies. You will be required to complete a specific number of optional modules from a prescribed list as set out in the course structure. Optional module 1, MSc Advanced Computing, which is cybersecurity. As I mentioned in previous slides, I talked about the block and blend teaching strategy. This is literally designed to support our students so that they can manage their well-being. For block 1, students will actually learn cryptography and application. And the cybersecurity pathway addresses the growing demand for skill in cybersecurity and digital forensic professionals. The cryptography and application is designed to equip students with essential tools in armory of a cybersecurity professionals used in the enterprises environment. In block 2, students will be introduced to network and IoT security. This module actually covers basic and advanced security concepts related to wired and wireless and Internet of Things. The module is focused mainly on presenting security issues that are commonly encountered in IoT deployment and environment while maintaining a high-level view of general security aspects. In block 3, another interesting module will be introduced, cyber detection and forensic investigation. This module is actually designed to equip students with the necessary knowledge, practical skills to successfully detect, analyze, and respond to cybersecurity incidents and conduct comprehensive investigation. Another module of interest for the optional one is for the MSc Engineering. Block 1 is human computer interaction and user experience. This actually make use of computers, systems, software in a delight way to improve user experience and the entire experience of the users. This in block 2 is followed by advanced software engineering. It's actually a systematic model, design and quantify approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of software. Cloud computing is one of the evolving area, migrating from application and external facing customer solutions to the cloud. One of the cloud solutions providers are Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, which are part of the trajectory, controlling cost, scalability, adapting to change, delivering service effectively, and in elastic form with a global reach. The optional modules I'll be covering in this slide is related to artificial intelligence. In block 1, students will be exposed to applied AI, which include many techniques for classification, analysis, and prediction with application in business, finance, gain, health science, medicine, and industrial control. In Block 2, students will be introduced to neural network reinforcement learning, which involves fundamentals of deep learning and how it can be used to solve problems in many areas, such as image classification, filter design, and natural language processing. Block 3 will involve computer vision, which is actually a field of computer science that focuses on replicating parts of the complexity of the human vision system and enabling the computers to identify and process objects in images and videos in the same way that human will have done. What are the facilities? One of the facilities that will be available for your learning journey is actually located at Digital Center. This Digitech Center is a brand new 9.6 million facility that was launched in 2021. It's well equipped with special state-of-art equipment, special modules in data science, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity. Usually takes place at our new Digital Tech Center at Adastra Park. Adastra Park is actually a technology hub housing over 150 high-tech telecommunication and technology companies. These also provide an excellent and valuable environment for our students to begin their career in ICT and networking. There is free transport bus provided by the university between Ipswich campus and the Digitech Center. A quick look at our main campus. Our main campus in Ipswich is set on the beautiful waterfront. Here we have the Atrium. The Atrium is the home to Innovation Lab and is also the main teaching building for our STEM subjects. The waterfront building, which is sitting right here, is the heart of our main campus in Ipswich, featuring large auditorium, lecture rooms, seminar rooms, study space, cafe, and the Students' Center. We have the Atnan Hall, which is on-campus hall for resident housing up to 590 students. We also have the Art Building, which was also recently launched. We have the James Eyre Building, which also accommodates staff and students. Here I'm going to be looking at the industry link and employability opportunities that are available while you study with us at the University of Suffolk. In terms of industry link, our computing degree programs has a strong link with industry partners in the region, such as BT, Juniper Networks, Cisco Academy, IJYI, Suffolk County, Codros, and many more. Within the academic year, in every academic year, there are 3 annual events. We have the University of Suffolk and IJYI Hackathon Winter. We have the Data Hackathon Winter. Then we also have the Suffolk Tech Industry Day. For the first hackathon event, students are encouraged to work in team to gain hands-on experience on software development, data intelligence, innovation, and all these hackathon events are actually supported by experts from various industries. So our students not just gain the academic aspect of it, they also benefit from industry expert support. Currently, we are piloting an internal internship program with BT and other companies at Adastra Park. And this hackathon also leads to paid internship. So students mostly benefited from paid internship when they comes out tops from the hackathon event. Pathway to certifications are also made available. One of these is Juniper Cisco NoSQL certification. Finally, the Amazon Web Services. We also have free access to LinkedIn Learning. In addition to that, we also have 6 months access to Data Camp as well. All these are available to our students. In terms of Amazon Web Services, our students have the opportunity to train on Amazon Web Services modules and run actual tools in their lab activities. We also offer free certification examination practices, vouchers, and heavily discounted certificate exams vouchers are made available. The University of Suffolk is an accredited AWS academy. We are currently one of only 18 universities in the UK accredited as active AWS academic member. We all know that over 30% of the world cloud infrastructure is currently managed by AWS, and our students on all our computing degree program, regardless whether it is undergraduate or the MSc program, have the opportunity to interact with these infrastructures with our dedicated academic team to support their learning journey. And it is actually the same infrastructure that is used to power the Netflix, Disney Plus, and Facebook. Student support. In terms of the student support, the university have what is called Future Me platform, which provide access online, resources, and job vacancies to all our students, career fairs and opportunities to meet employers and network throughout the year is made available to our students. Career development workshops and one-to-one guidance has always been there to support our students. As I mentioned in my previous slide, micro placement scheme is also made available where students get paid. This is actually designed to provide work experience for our students while they are still within their degree program. An interesting part which the career development team actually provide for our students is the body swap VR. This is actually an application that allows learners to practice skills that are difficult to replicate in a traditional setting or learning environment. The massive experience is risk-free, accessibility, encouraging, engaging, and learners can reflect on their own understanding of themselves when faced with interview of such scenario. Thank you for your attention. How to apply? Just use the URL link provided on this slide. For more information, please do not hesitate to drop me an email using my email address f.ngobia@uos.ac.uk. On behalf of the course team, I look forward to welcoming you to Suffolk, a university for a changing world, where we constantly innovate and bring timely changes to our local communities and beyond.